Hello fam, in today's video I'll be teaching you why your watch hour keeps reducing on YouTube. We all know that we have a target we are trying to meet, which is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. But some people have been complaining that their watch hour keeps reducing instead of increasing. So I'm going to be telling you why. And the reason why your watch hour is actually reducing is because it's already 1 year and you have still not monetized. So I'll be giving you a practical example that is from my own personal experience. You all know that I came and told you people that I've already hit my 3,000 watch hours, which I'm going to monetize with. Why I keep posting videos in order for me to reach the 4,000 watch hours. You remember, right? Now it's not like I have not reached my 4,000 watch hours. I will show you on the screen so you will see it. I have reached my 4,000 watch hours. That is my lifetime watch hours I have gotten on this channel is over 4,000. But the reason why I'm still seeing 3,000 something now is because those 4,000 that you are seeing, some of the views, some of the watch hour does not count anymore because it's over 1 year. It's already over 1 year. And what YouTube wants is in the last 365 days. That is what they want, the watch hour you were able to get in the last 365 days. So this 3,000 watch hours that I have now is the legit one. It's the one that, oh, in the last 365 days, in the last 1 year, this is what she has. Not lifetime, not since I started YouTube. I hope you understand. So that is why your watch hour is reducing. In case you notice that it is reducing, that is why. Let's say you have been posting videos over 1 year and you are still not monetized. So YouTube will start reducing the watch hours you add. You get. Let me explain again so you understand. Now let's say you posted your first video January 1st 2024, your first YouTube video January 1st 2024, and then January 1st 2025 YouTube expects you to have your complete 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers so you can monetize. But then because of the way it is sometimes getting views and the rest, so you are not able to get that 4,000 watch hours January 1st 2025, which is exactly 1 year. So do you know what will happen? That first video you posted 2024 January 1st, they will start reducing the watch hours. The one people watched on the first, they will start removing it. They will go to second, they will start removing it, third, like that. That is how it works. So just have it in mind. It's not like YouTube does not like you or anything. It's because you have not been able to meet their requirements. And you see these are rules and regulations. They hold it strong. They do not joke with it. So just try as much as possible to meet up. If somebody is telling you to post every day, it's not because the person is just telling you for talking sake. The person is telling you the truth. If you know you can do it, everyday posting, do it. If you cannot do everyday posting, if it's 3 times a week, do it. And try and post valuable content so that people will be able to learn from it and they will come back for more. It's not funny losing watch hours. I've lost a lot of watch hours on this channel. Seriously, I've lost watch hours. So I'm trying to recover everything now so that I'll be able to have my full monetization. I hope you understand. So all you need to do is just keep posting. Don't allow anything to stop you. Just continue posting. That is it.
So another reason why you are still losing watch hour is because you are fond of deleting videos. Some of you, videos are not just performing well, the next thing you want to do is to go and delete, and you forgot that YouTube has already added that watch hour to the watch hour you have. So by the time you now delete it, you deleted that video, you also deleted the watch hours. So these are some of the reasons why your watch hours keep reducing. So I want to advise you, even though you post a video and the video is not performing well, that does not mean that that video will not perform well later. There are videos that pick up 5 months later, 6 months later, 1 year later. So leave that video even though it's not performing well. Just leave it like that and continue posting. That is it, guys.
So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.